Yeah. It's your boy Slick Fresh. And your boy back with another one, man. I know it's been a minute, but you already know every time we come to you guys, all we doing is trying to keep it exclusive, man, and give you guys the best and freshest tips, man, because you already know we got to keep it slick fresh all day, man. I just been plotting, really, you know what I mean? And I definitely appreciate everybody that's subscribing to this channel, man, and everybody that just, hey, take a time out of your day, you know what I'm saying, to just view. You know, everything is everything, you know, and it tells me that I'm doing something well because I continue to see, you know, growth, you know, and that's all I'm doing with you guys, with your feedback, man. And at the same time, when you bang that subscription box, man, that's what I continue to do, is grow, you know, and that's everything. And this is something I love to do, this fashion thing, man, this sneaker stuff. Hey, it's what I do, and I know what I signed up for. You know, everybody don't like everything that you're gonna do, you know what I mean? But the opinion is everything, and that's what I take into consideration when I do my next video, you know. So I'm gonna continue to keep on bringing quality, you know what I mean? Quality over everything, quality over quantity. I don't want to put out a video that I feel, you know, is not worth doing. Most of the videos I do, you know, I take a passion in doing it, you know what I mean? And it's the reason why I'm, you know, viewing that sneaker or, you know, whatever I decide to do. You know, today, for you guys, I decided, you know, it's been a minute since I dropped the video, so I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a how to rock and an unboxing all in one, you know. Let me know what you guys think when I do that. When I do that unboxing and, you know, the how to rock all in one, do you guys like that? You know, I know people love, you know, on foot, of course, you know, so I know that a lot of people will be like, yeah, I love when you do the on foot. But, you know, also I try to give, you know, fashion tips. It's not just me throwing on some jeans, you know, or whatever, and just doing a regular on foot, just so you can get that view for on foot. I'm trying to throw together a nice outfit. You know, with that being said, I got the sneakers, man, and I got some of the stuff that I have for you guys for the how to rock. I think what I have for you guys is, you know, a nice, simple fit, but at the same time, it's gonna get it done. Hey, I ordered from ASOS. It was something that I was supposed to use for this video. It was gonna be some, you know, nice joggers, you know, that I thought would go well with rocking these. I was gonna give you guys the jeans view and the joggers view. Unfortunately, the joggers that I had, man, I got the 2-day shipping. They were supposed to be delivered today, and it was, you know, and we ain't gonna even talk about it, you know, but they come tomorrow. But I'm not willing to wait till tomorrow. I want to get this out to you guys right now, you know what I mean? And I'm not gonna let that stop me because I got things going on. I'm on a schedule as well, so I gotta make it happen, Captain. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, we gonna get into this video, man. Hey, and like I said, man, keep on supporting the channel. Keep banging that subscription box. Hit that bell, man, so y'all know when I'm dropping this hot stuff, man. And make sure y'all looking at my old videos too, man. I love the growth. I love everything, the feedback. I love that people still watching my videos, man. I definitely appreciate all you guys. And continue to comment, say whatever you feel. You know what I'm saying? Because you can't hurt my feelings. All I do is try to communicate with you guys, you know what I'm saying? And keep it fun. Keep it, you know what I'm saying? And also, you know, I try to show respect for people, so I would love respectful comments, but at the same time, it's a free world, baby. So your opinion is your opinion. So, hey, all day. But we about to get into this video. We got a new little cam out here, so I hope y'all getting a better visual of your boy. You already know how we do it. And you know we still rough. It's still No Shave November around here, even though it's January and it's 2019. Happy New Year to all of y'all, man. Shout out to all my subscribers. Hey, we here though. We here. And we here to stay. Slick Fresh, baby. We here. And we about to get into this unboxing / how to rock. So we're about to get into this unboxing, man. You already know, hey, this right here, this one is for the collection, man. Hey, like I said, I'm building my sneaker game, my whole closet around just particular pairs, man. And this is one of those ones that I plan on keeping. Not every video that I do is with a pair of shoes that I feel that I'm gonna keep, but at the same time, you know, I'm still shooting the video to get you guys exclusive gear, man, exclusive shoes, exclusive everything. You know what I'm saying? So regardless of if I choose to keep it or not, is just me being me, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, even though I'm, you know, likely to sell some things and, you know, not keep some things, does not take away for, you know, the appeal, you know, like the look. I think that it still provides a fashionable look. It's just, I want my closet to be based around certain things because that's just me. You know what I mean? That's just something I'm doing for me and my love for the sneakers, you know what I mean? I feel like that's what keep me motivated, is going after certain pairs, you know? So that's just my opinion. But shout out to the sneakerheads that like to get anything and everything, you know what I mean? And got a mixture of it all, you know? I'm just trying to take a little disciplined approach to it, because then, therefore, if I see something hot and it's not something that I'm looking to keep in my closet, then therefore, you know, it's easier for me to get rid of it. It's easier for me to sell it, you know what I mean? And it's not too much attachment. Hey, ASOS need to get at me. ASOS need to get at me, because we got a beef right now. And I love ASOS. Hey, no shade to ASOS, because ASOS got a lot of exclusive stuff, but hey, fool me once, shame on you. All right, we getting these sneakers out though. Let me get these. Hi. If you read the caption, you already know what it is. So I'm gonna just go ahead, jump in DMs, the box that is. But bro, I thought these was definitely clean. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it exclusive, you know. And I think this was a great addition. This is a pair of Retro 6s. You know, if y'all tried to save like the surprise for yourself, you know what I'm saying? These are Retro 6s if you didn't look at the caption. You know what I'm saying? It's the fourth pair of Retro 6s I've actually owned. You know what I mean? But I only have 2 in my collection, right? The first pair of Retro 6s that I had was the infrared 6s, the lows, you know what I'm saying? They came out like on the 4th of July of like 2015 or something like that, maybe. You know what I'm saying? I had those, and I gave those to my brother for a Christmas present that year. I had them sitting in my closet. I had never wore them. You know, they was dead stock, and I just thought it would be a good Christmas gift, you know. I felt good about giving it to him because I knew that they were going into good hands. You know what I mean? Sometimes when you sell sneakers and they don't take care of them, you know what I mean? Like, they not yours no more, but at the same time, when you see them in them and they not doing it right, you just like, oh my God, I wish I would have never sold those. He not one of those, you know what I'm saying? The other pair of 6s I had was some infrared, not the infrared, but the UNC blue 6s that just dropped within the past year or whatever. Traded those, you know. If y'all didn't see what I did with those, I actually did a trade video, you know what I mean, with the store Vice, and I traded them for some Yeezys. If y'all want to see how I did that, man, hey, make sure y'all go look at that video, man. I appreciate it. Hey, go through the whole list of, you know, things. I viewed enough, you know what I'm saying, to give you guys a great variety of things. And then, you know, I got my wheat 6s. I still got those. Those was one of the ones that made, you know, I'm trying to get more 6s. So more than likely, if I buy another pair of 6s, I'm gonna end up keeping it. You know, it just depends. But it gotta be exclusive to me. You know what I mean? It gotta like separate itself from a lot of other things for me to keep them. But hey, we just gonna see what happened. But yeah, I still got my wheat 6s, and now got these bad babies. And like, I literally had went into the store like a week before these had released, and I thought I saw them on the shelf. Like, you know, they kind of resembled, like, I guess they were the Tinker 6s or whatever. But hey, They were not the Tinker 6s. You feel? They were not. Keep your receipt. You already know. Keep that thing. Gotta keep the receipt. And these right here are the Air Jordan 6 Retro. You know what I'm saying? And these, they refer to as like nostalgia or whatever. Hey, clean. About to get right into it. This the box, man. That's that classic 6 box, you know, size 12. That's all me, baby. All me, all day. Size 12. Man, and whew, I love that new shoe smell. Love that new shoe smell.
You recording?
Yeah, what?
Put that in your video.
So before I was rudely interrupted, you already know, man. Got a new cam, so hey, that's what happens when you get a camera and you ain't shooting with your phone no more. People call the phone that you're supposed to be shooting with and what it had on airplane mode and all that other good stuff. But hey, that's why we got vibrate. So phone don't vibrate. Hey, but look, love the new shoe smell. Love the new shoe smell. That's one of my favorite things about opening up a fresh new box of J's or any type of shoe. You know what I mean? Every shoe got that own, you know, smell. You know, depending on what it's made with or whatever. You know what I'm saying? Probably one of the best smells is like suede and, you know, leather. But hey, these smelling fire. And I knew I needed these because I just saw how different, you know, color scheme to it. And that's one thing I did notice when I looked at the Tinker, you know, I saw some of the colors that were not on this shoe, you know what I mean? So I knew that this was the shoe I needed to get because, hey, I just was like, man, hey, left shoe right here. Hey, but like one thing that made these different from the Tinkers for sure was just the fact that it had a deeper gray in it, you know what I mean? It had a deeper gray. Got a nice little color switch to it as well, you know what I'm saying? But these are definitely fire, you know what I'm saying? I love the all white, but then I love that wolf gray look, you know, that it got just, you know, going around the shoe, man. But what also set it off is like, I love when you got those 6s that got the little infrared in them, you know, because some of, like the pair of 6 that I gave to my brother had the infrared, and I thought that I'd never get a 6 with that infrared in it again, you know, which they released plenty of, you know, 6s with infrared and stuff like that. I'm just saying, like, those 6s that I gave them just had like a hint of infrared, not too much, not too little, you know what I mean? But this was just enough for me, you know, on the back right there. I rock with that, you know, infrared in the back. That's pretty clean. And then you got the bottoms is everything. You know what I'm saying? You got the blue Jumpman. It's like more like a Concord. But fire, man. It's a fire sneaker. I'm glad I got this. You got the Concord Jumpman on the back with the infrared air. You know what I'm saying? You also got the blue jump, you know, the Concord Jumpman right there. And you got the, you know, Concord, you know, thingy majig push shoe control, shoelace control thing that they put on the 6s, you know, it got that. But this is this is definitely a must cop. If you ain't copped it yet, make sure to go get you a pair of these, man. I'm rocking with it. I also, you know, it's noticeable to me that they got that, you know, Jordan right here, and the Jordan got, you know, the Concord with the, you know, red or infrared, whatever you want to call it, lettering within it. I think they just put the colors in the right space. It wasn't too much, too little of anything. You got white, but it's not overpowering because you got that, you know, gray. Go ahead and blend it up in there. You know, got the white shoelaces, and you also got the black background, so it's not too much of any color or something that won't let the other color pop. You know what I'm saying? I think, hey, colors are greatly in line. Hey, this the other one though, you know. both fire. You know what I'm saying? Both fire sneakers. I'm rocking with both of these, of course, because they're a pair. Gotta rock with them both. Can't just walk around with one shoe. You know what I'm saying? Hey, these stupid clean, man. I'm definitely rocking with it. But I'm about to go ahead and hit y'all with that how to rock. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, ASOS did not come in clutch, bringing my joggers on time. So I'm just gonna give you guys that on foot. You know what I'm saying, with the jeans. But I also, man, got this clean sweatshirt too, bro. Clean sweatshirt I, copped from Finish Line, man. That I knew was gonna go crazy with it, Hey, but look, got me a Yale sweatshirt, man. Hey, your boy got it in the XL. That's just me, personal. You know what I'm saying? I like myself. I got big shoulders anyway, so large, depending on what brand it is and what type of shirt it is, whatever, it don't fit me right. So I like to go XL, and it fit me well. You know what I'm saying? Hey, XL. Hey, swaggy. But yeah, I got the Yale Champion joint. I knew when I saw it at Finish Line I was gonna want it, so your boy had to go and get it. This thing costs, let's see what it say right here. It says 60 bones, you know what I mean? I think it might have been cheaper than that, but they say 60, so I'm gonna go with 60, you know what I mean? So then we got the, jeans right here. These are some of my favorite pair of jeans. I got some jeans on right now, but I don't think that, these are the jeans for this outfit, you know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely, these my Old Navy jeans, man. Hey, all your jeans don't gotta be expensive. I just like my jeans to fit a certain type of way. And even though they are from Old Navy, I felt that these provided that for me. These are slim fit, you know what I'm saying? I like most of my jeans to be slim fit, or slim straight, something like that. But at the end of the day, I wanted to have like a more fitted look. You know what I'm saying? And I think nobody out here wearing, baggy, crazy baggy, like the 90s jeans, you know what I'm saying, no more. Most people done got into the trend of having more fitted jeans, you know what I mean? And I honestly think it gives you the best look. I don't think that it's not too many shoes that you're going to throw on a crazy baggy pair of jeans and you're going to be like, oh man, like the whole point of, having some fitted jeans in the first place is to get your shoe to pop. Hey, I just gave y'all a tip, but hey, we about to go ahead and put on some of this stuff, man, and about to make it happen, man, for sure. Right here, man, and this right here is just the pants leg down view with the pants on itself, man. This is not really me. I'm just giving you guys that look, you know what I'm saying? But when I choose to wear my pants and, I'm thinking about my sneakers and who gonna see my sneakers and how my outfit gonna look, I feel that this right here is everything, you know what I'm saying? Some people, like I like it to fall behind there sometimes, but at the same time, it going like that, just having that cuff is everything to me, man. Just it make your outfit that much more better. You know what I'm saying? And then when you come up and you put that whole outfit together and you throw that, that Yale crew neck on, then you out here, man. I'm telling you, busting, man. And you see what that cuff, man. You see what that cuff can do for you, man. Hey, but definitely anytime that I'm rocking my sneakers, that's how I'm rocking them, with that cuff. Very rarely am I leaving that cuff down, man. Hey, but this the whole outfit. When you throw it together, man, I chose this Yale, sweatshirt because I thought it was popping. Even though I ain't go to Yale, it make me look smart. You know what I'm saying? But definitely let me know what y'all think about the fit. You know what I'm saying? I'm always keeping it exclusive. I'm always staying slick fresh. We always giving y'all the best all day. Your boy Slick Fresh, we out of here. Hey, subscribe. Bang that subscription box.